Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. We are from group MAD241 Part A. So our project is chili fertigation kit. Next, in our team has 5 people. One for the first, Muhammad Fikri bin Muhammad Safari. Second, Haziq Iqbal bin Suhaimi. Third, Muhammad Hafiz bin Ramli. Fourth, Muhammad Shukri bin Shahar. And the last one, Nabil Fikri bin Rasul. Our company background. Our company name is Keto Corp. Our product name is Chili Fertigation Kit. Nature of business. Help the single mother with the project of chili fertigation, especially single mother who located in Kota Tinggi Johor, helping to increase their economy and help them to survive in life's process. This agriculture activity project may get the demands from the marketer who selling the vegetables and supplier that needed for their business. We plant the chili seed, grow them, pack and ready to supply to the buyer, which is the single mother will get the benefits after settle down all the costs. For our mission is to help single mother who are not working to earn a side income. Help shopkeepers to get quality chilies at affordable price. Reduce wastage of unused land area. For our vision is to be the most successful in inspiring and innovative towards customers' satisfaction, to be leading in providing high quality products and services to customers, to develop a sustainable start-up business and maintain sales for the company, and also can help society during COVID-19 pandemic. Our objective is to ensure the product and service given meet customers' satisfaction, to boost company's name, to conquer market share in the product industry, to ensure that the company will achieve company goals and targets.
Next is the problem that we detected that inspired us to do this project. The first problem is during the pandemic of COVID-19, many people lost their job, and toward this, we can see the opportunity to help some of the single mother which is has lost their current job. And number two is most of them have vacant land that is not well unused. So, what is the solution of the problem? Basically, the solution of the problem that we can have is number one, this project is about agriculture activity. We plant the seed of the chili, then we help to sell the chili and we help to get the demand from other market that needs the chili supplier. Number two, even this project looks small, we strongly confident this kind of project can help increase the economy and gain many demand from the market. Other than that, we also reuse the unused vacant to running this project. So from that, we can save the expense to other things that need to buy or pay. The solution number three, for the time being, we focus to the Malaysian people, especially single mother in the area that we target. If this project get a support and many demand come for the chili, we try to open more opportunity to another single mother at another area. And the last one, number four, with this project, we can help them to improve life and increases their economy in life. They plant the chili seeds, we get the demand, and they get the pay.
For the target market, with the rise of employment single mother in this area, the chance to get a job are hard because of several job requirements that not suitable with them. Hence, that is why Our target market will not be restricted to certain type of people. We aim to create a fertigation kit which will be able to increase their income and benefits their areas of unused vacant land. Our target geographic market at Kota Tinggi Johor with population of single mother is 200 people. The age of single mother is around 9 years old and above. Female adult and having lower income level. Other than that, our target market is not limited for races, religion, occupation, or education level. We are focused on single mother that having a healthy lifestyle to make sure that their fertigation project in the future is consistent and working properly. Next, a market trend is known as a perceived tendency of financial market. It is to move in a certain direction over time. For this chili project, we expect to operate in the long time frames. The reason for this is that we believe our product could give benefit to single mother community which they can gain income also can help to survive during this pandemic. There are no competitors after we enter. We are the first company create this fertigation kit. The population of this area will buy this product because of we are the only company that offer these fertigation kits.
For the marketing strategy, for the pricing, material cost for the fertigation kit is 158 ringgit and 70 cent. For the labor cost is 21 ringgit 30 cent. Overhead is 20 ringgit. For the total is 200 ringgit. Sales tactics. The idea of creating the fertigation kit came from the research we've been through when number of unemployment single mother in this area is quite high and they have unused vacant land that can be used for our project. Service and warranty policy. We make sure our product is created in a high quality, safe and ready to use. For the market segment, geographic and psychographic.
Okay, let's move to the financial projection. How much capital needed? The capital needed for our business is 80,000 ringgit. Then we make a bank loan for 30,000 ringgit. And member shares capital is 50,000 ringgit. Next, profitability. In the first year, Corp needs to compete with the highly demand in the market, which means our company will be facing a challenge to gain more customers because of we are the first company create this chili fertigation kit. However, we eventually get more customers due to the lack chili stock in the Kota Tinggi areas. In the second year, Corp is estimated to get almost 20% more than the year before in our sales. Nevertheless, the company is in need to improve skills in management and communication skills to persuade more people to buy the product. On the third year, Corp received almost 30% sales. This means that the company has succeeded in selling the product and making company well known in Kota Tinggi. The sale is increasing from our first to our third year. The community are getting to know our product and make our product to gain sustained profit to get their side income. Next, for the cash flow break-even of Corp. Cash flow break-even is the point where fixed and variable expense equal to the sales revenue. As year progresses, our expense does increase alongside with our income and it will offset the expense and allow us to venture and expand our business as we hope and plan in the future. As you can see, our company reached the break-even point on the first year, where all the costs can be covered and we will still have an excess of cash on hand on the sum 337,911 ringgit in 3 years. Moving on our project milestone. Project milestone is a month-to-month plan that illustrates the timeline or milestone of activities essential to Corp performance. On the slide, it shows deadline of our activities. We have completed the business registration on 23 January 2022. The incorporation of the venture on the 1st February 2022. The research and development began on 15 March 2022. The completion of design and development has been complete on 9 May 2022. The completion of prototype on 19 June 2022. The preparation of office and operation space and the ordering materials and equipment on the 2nd August 2022. And then we starting the promotion of our business on 30 September 2022, and finally we starting the operation on 1st November 2022. Next, financing source. How much financing we are seeking? There are two types of financing source for our business, which is capital and loan. For the capital, we have 5 partners, which is Aziz Ikhwan bin Suhaimi, Nabil Fikri bin Rasul, Muhammad Hafiz bin Ramli, Muhammad Shukri bin Saha, and Muhammad Fikri bin Muhammad Safari. Each partner contribute 10,000 ringgit of the capital. So, the total capital contribution is 50,000 ringgit. For the loan, we made a loan from CIMB Bank Berhad of 30,000 ringgit in financing all the needs of the business. The loan interest is 5% and given period of 5 years to make the loan repayment. Then, how we spend the money? We spend the money for office equipment, rent and utilities, promotion costs, raw materials and packaging, machinery and equipment, office maintenance, license and permits.
For the last point is conclusion. As the conclusion, this service is very useful for the single mother who wants to increase the economy of family. Service also helpful to reuse the unvacant land with the good way. Help to get the demands from the market, especially market that selling the vegetables and can sell to who need the chili. Project also can guarantee the market of selling vegetable, especially can be increased and stable during the hard time. Product can be produced in short time because of the stock already packed and ready to deliver to the buyers. This is the way we help the single mother to get better in their life process.